Alright, here we go. Here we go. I didn't fly this thing. Oh. Ah! We need to go in that neighborhood.
I'll take something to drink.
Have something to drink? In the igloo?
Here, I'm not listening. Hey! Got something to drink?
$1.
No, I can't.
Okay, fine, we'll donate something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Want to pay for airplane?
Get the ass. No. Hey, can we trade it?
It's alright, it's alright. Ooh, baby. It's chill, bro. It's chill. We're leaving anyways. Hey, bro. Oh, what? Did you see that bee? It almost hit me in the face.
That's cool.
Are you ready for this? Ready?
Yeah, sure. Ow!
Oh, got it. Ready? Where's the guy? Oh no! It's a paper airplane. I'm gonna crack the window or something, right? Oh yeah, you're better than my dad. You hit my car. Yeah, this thing sucks. The Garrett Hart plane sucks. Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
I bet you. I think it works better. It's upside down.
Yeah, there goes.
It goes upside down.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
That's cool. Totally chill, bro.
Oh, that actually would have been.
Oh. Don't be a hater. Hey, fix my nose.
Don't be a hater.
Oh, that's pretty good. What if your car was gone? Alright. What do you want to do? Alright. Come to my house. Yeah, just come over to my house. Come over to my house.